How are you? This is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market. Good morning to my Discord community. How are you? I hope you're feeling good and you have a pleasant week. And you've been trading along us for the couple of good months now that we see the community keep on growing. As I'm saying always, it is absolutely pleasure to see the new traders coming into the server every day. So welcome all of the new traders, welcome to all the new affiliates that got approved. Wish you guys success with your trading journey. Of course, it's a good opportunity to also make money while you're trading. So welcome and welcome to the all new traders. And today we're going to talk about a bit on the micro Bitcoin future and how we can benefit from trading with the night profile. So let's dive in. As always, we're always looking at a bird's eye view. And as we said before, just like the major area we covered on the Nasdaq, right here as well, within the micro Bitcoin, we see how the price comes from a major supply area, land into a major demand area, and then push back up, crossing all miners' demands along the way, and now accumulating energy towards a big move. And we want to understand what can possibly happen over here, and why we within the day we can still have a possibility to take a long position. As you already see, we're in a position right now. We're gonna try and scalp it a bit. We'll see how it's gonna go. So within the week, we see how the price still yet to be determined. We see a huge entry of an institutional buyer pushing the price up, reaching the supply area once more, and the price is already here charging energy. We don't see the sellers basically getting validation for us to get into a short position and selling the market. If the sellers are not in the picture, the buyer will come in. This was reflect over here in this weekly candle. We don't see how the price basically give us validation to go to a short position. And as well, understanding the story, understanding we are in an uptrend towards up, and we see the price is dancing around this area, we understand that there's a possibility, the high possibility, the price will, exactly as the Nasdaq did, basically will cross this area, will land back on the pool to make a small correction, and then rising up. Of course, we are all speculator. We know none of us is a prophet, but we do need to understand how to read the map correctly and how to use it to our benefit. So I'm gonna go to the daily interval. Within the daily interval, it looks a bit more clear. We see how the price over here keep on fluctuating. We left us with this gap to trade. I'm gonna go to the 4 hours range, and with the 4 hours range, we already see with the 4 hours range we are in the supply area right now. The 61% of the commands can be basically accumulated within this area. I'm gonna drop down to the 15 minutes interval. With a 15 minutes interval, we see we are in a position that basically gives us a leverage to basically getting risking $201 in order to create $2,000. Basically, we can trade all this area from the point that we are right now towards the yellow line at least. So within this, we will see why we scalp this position right now, and if we can, we basically will stretch this position just a bit down so we can get it more clear. So on the a 5 minutes interval, we see that we are landing exactly in a demand pool. The 48% of basically 48 of the commands are accumulated over there. And to understand it a bit more, we're looking at the night profile. Within the night profile, we see what happened within the night. We see how the price basically shoots up within the night, create for us a pattern basically of a rally-based rally, and we're gonna mark it right here. There's a rally, there's a base, there's a rally, there's a base, there's a rally. Of course, there's a new base right here, and we were looking for within this base to take this. We're looking to basically the price to flip and reverse and continue to rise up all the way at least to the yellow line. Of course, within the group, we're gonna cover this position more thorough way. and we expand, reflects the results. If you're not part of the Discord group, of course, you're welcome to tag along. It's a completely free education for the trading community. You're welcome to enter to the server, educate yourself, meet other traders, and expand your knowledge. If you want to get tools that are going to get you to financial freedom, of course, we are there. Go and explore within the website. You can see the whole syllabus is laid down over there for you guys to understand what you're about to learn, how you're going to learn it, what's the course of the time you're going to learn it. Of course, there's a personal mentorship as well, option over there as well, if you want to make it more personal. Within our Discord group as well, we have some groups that are more dedicated to more experienced traders and traders that would take it to the next step. So you're always welcome to check those channels as well. And as always, I want to wish you successful trading, and I'm going to see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.